Alma Mater looks absolutely beautiful in her elegantly designed, multicolored gown, which complements her rosy like a budding sampagita ready to bloom. Her stunning beauty is really head-turning. This 50-year-old lass was born in the Labor Day of 1999, the only child of the family, being very supportive, cheerful, and adventurous. At her early age of 5, she started modeling at the Picture Company Studios and later became a print ad model in Kimberly Clark Kleenex's first runner-up in the Miss Teen MNCHS when she was in first year, followed by the crown Miss Teen Masbate 2013 at her third year. She was also the Miss Sophomore year 2012 and the Miss Junior last year, and recently won the Best News competition at the third season Inter-School Basketball Tournament. Kisses is a dreamer and a believer. She wants to become a successful businesswoman, and she's already on her way to making it happen by passing the entrance exam in De La Salle University School of Business. Our Miss Alma Mater's biggest purpose in life is to become changing the world for the better. One of her goals is to be able to alleviate poverty rates on poverty-stricken countries, especially the Philippines. She is committed to work hard and give it all her best in making her dreams happen, to help the poor and the needy, because she knows how it feels to have nothing. She believes that with God, all things can happen. We can be masters of our own destiny, and all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. So again, please welcome our Miss Alma Mater 2015.